Now students, write greater than, less than or equal to in the following blanks. This is greater than symbol, this is less than symbol, this is equal to symbol. Then we have to use greater than, less than in the blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks are given. So then how? First this is ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens and hundred. In hundreds plus 3 is there, in hundreds plus 4 is there. 4 is bigger, so this is smaller. It means 345 is less than. Is less than. Here less than will come. Here less than will come. One by one we have to tally from left to right. Left to right. Left digit to right digit. Then ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. Here in hundreds plus 9 is there. Here hundreds plus 2 is there. 9 is bigger, so this one is bigger. This one is bigger, so greater than. 987 is greater than 234. 234. And the next, ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. In hundreds plus 2 is there, in hundreds plus 1 is there. 2 is greater than this. It means 276 is greater than 127. 127. Next, ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred. In hundreds plus 1 is there, in hundreds plus 3 is there. 3 is bigger than. It means this one is lesser than. 123 is less than 343. 343. This is less than symbol. This is greater than symbol. Now, so this is about our 3 digits. Now here 4 digit numbers are given. 4 digit numbers are given. Either it is 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, whatever it is. We have to tally digits from left to right. Left to right. Now here, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, this is thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. In ones place, in thousands place, 1 is there. Then after that we tally hundreds place. Here 4 is there, here 0 is there. 4 is bigger, so this one is bigger. Means 1452 is greater than 1042. 1042. Again here also. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds, this is thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. In thousands place here 1 is there and here 2 is there. 2 is bigger, so this one is bigger, this one is less. It means 1642 is less than, means less than symbol we have to take. Less than symbol we have to take. Next, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds, this is thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, in thousands place. Here in thousands place 1 is there, in thousands place 2 is there. So this one is smaller, this one is smaller, means less than we have to take. 1840 is less than 2067. 2067. Next, here again ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Here in thousands place 5 is there and 4 is there. In 5 and 4, 5 is bigger. So this one is bigger, means greater than symbol we have to take. Greater than symbol we have to take. 5049 is greater than 4090. 4090. Again, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So tally from left to right. 2 is there here, here 2 is there. Both are same, both are equal. Then we go for next. Hundreds place. 6 is there and 6 is there. Both are equal. Then we go for tens place. Here 5 is there, here 9 is there. In 5 and 9, 9 is bigger and this one is smaller. This one is smaller means we have to take less than. 2654 is less than 2695. 2695. This is the comparison between 3 digit numbers. This is the comparison between 4 digit numbers. The following numbers in ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Descending order means decreasing order we have to arrange. The first one, ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger. Smaller to bigger. Smaller. First we have to tally. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. ones place, tens place, hundreds place. In hundreds place 2 is there, 2 is there, and 3. In 2, 2, 3, which one is smaller? 2. 2 is smaller. 2, so this type of 2 have 2 in hundreds place we have 2 here and here. In these two numbers we have 2 here and here. So again we have to check our thousands place. Here 5 is there and here 4 is there, tens place. In tens place here 5 is there and here 4 is there. 4 is lesser, this one is less than all the 3. This is the smallest value. Then little bit bigger is 5, 2. This is in hundreds place 3 is there, that is the bigger value. Then ascending order. First 248 will come, then little bit bigger 253, and the biggest one 324 among all the 3 values. Then in the second question, ascending order. All our 3 numbers we dial from left to right. In the left 4, 4, 4 equal, all are equal. Then 8, 5 and 9. In 8, 5, 9, 5 is the smaller, this comes first, and bigger is 2 and biggest is 9. So in this order we have to check. Then first one is 456, then bigger is little bit 482, and biggest among all the 3 is 492. Now here also all 3 digit numbers. So ascending order. So we have to take smaller one first. Smaller one we have to check from left to right. 5, 5, 5. Same. All are same. Then we check second means tens place. 6, 3, 8. In 6, 3, 8, 3 is the smaller. This comes first. Smaller, little bit bigger. 6, and the biggest among all 3 is this one. This comes in third place. Means 539 first, and bigger than this 569, and biggest is 589. In this way we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. So in third bit ascending order is over. Now the next bit, fourth bit is descending order, that is vice versa. So means in decreasing order. So here descending order means decreasing order. First we have to take bigger one, then little bit smaller, and smallest value at the last. And descending order here. First we have to take bigger value. So again in this also we have to dial it from left to right. In this first 2 is there, 2 is there, 2 is there. In all 2, 2, 2 is there, same. Then you go for next tens place. 0, 1, 0, 1, 9. 0, 1, 9. 0, 1, 9. In 0, 1, 9, 9 is the bigger. 9 is the bigger. This will come first, and after that 1 will come next, and the smallest is last 0. That 290 will come first. That is the bigger. Smaller than this, and smallest in all these 3, 205. And here descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order we have to take. So first here 2, 3, 3. In 2, 3, 3. 3 is the biggest. 3 in this we have 3, and in this we have 3. So in this again we have to decide which one is bigger. And after here 2 is there, after here 4 is there. This means this one is the bigger. This is the bigger. Little bit smaller is, and the smallest among all the 3 is this one. In this order we have to arrange. First we have to take 345. Then after that 328. Then smallest among all these 212. Then next, the last one, descending order. Descending order. First we have to check from left to right. Left first digit 3, 3, 3. In all are equal. Next 2, 1, 3. In 2, 1, 3. 3 is the bigger. This comes first. 2 is the next smallest one, and the last Smallest among all the 3 is 1. Then 3, 3, 3 we have to take first. Then 3, 2, 3. Next 3, 1, 0. So in this way we have to arrange ascending order and descending order. Ascending order and descending order. Now here, the next, write the place values of the underlined digits. Underlined digits place value we have to write. This is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Here this one is underlined, this is in tens place, so the place value is 4 is 40. It is in tens place, that is why it is 40. Now here, underline, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. This is underlined number, 6 is underlined, that is in hundreds place, so it is in 600. Then this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, 5 is ones place, so 5 place value is 5 only, because this is in ones place, this is in ones place. Next, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, 9 is in hundreds place, 9 place value is 900. 900. Then next, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. 7 is in tens place, so the place value is 70. So the place value is 70. So like this we have to write the place values. If it is in tens place, then 4 is there, then 40, 7 is there, 70, 8 is there, 80. If in hundreds place, we have to take hundreds. 8 is in hundreds place, then 800. Then 4 is in hundreds place, 400. If 6 is in hundreds place, then 600. In that way we have to take and we have to write. Now, the last bit in our exercise activity 2, in second activity, so the last bit is, here number of digits given, number of digits, 3 digits, we have to write greater number and smallest number. Greatest number and smallest number we have to take, we have to write using these digits. Then here digits 5, 7, 4. Greatest number, how we can form greatest number? In greatest number, first among these 3 we have to take greater number first, then smaller number, then smallest number. We have to take in descending order. If the numbers are in descending order, then we will get greater number. We will get greater number. And smallest number, reverse order we have to write 457. 457. 457. Greater number in descending order and smallest number in ascending order. In the same way, 3, 6, 9 is given. So this is descending order, decreasing order we have to write. First greater number, then smaller number, then smallest number. This greater number, so we will form using these digits. For smaller number we have to write in ascending order. 3, 6 and 9. This is ascending order, this number we form a smallest number using these 3 digits. Then after that, greater number, first we have to take greater and smaller and smallest, 810. Here, for smallest number, whenever 0 will come, don't start with 0. Don't start with 0. Second smallest number. You start from second smallest number. Why? Because so if you take this smallest 3-digit number we want. Smallest 3-digit. If it starts from 0, then we get 18. Then we get 18. That is, we get 2-digit number, not a 3-digit number. So if you take 0, 1, 8, so in the reverse order 0, 1, 8, 0 nothing, no value for this. Only 18 number. Only 2-digit number we will get. So that is why if the 0 is there, don't start with 0. You start with second smallest number, that is from 1. Then after that you take the first smallest number. Then after you take the biggest number. So like this we have to take. So this you have to remember when 0 will come. When 0 will come, then don't start with 0, because here he asked 3-digit number. If he won't ask 3-digit, only smallest number, if he asks, then start with 0. No problem for that. So remember this. Encircle the largest number. Encircle the largest number in our activity 3rd. Largest number we have to make circle. So first question, second question, third question, and fourth question. In all these 4 questions we have to circle. Make circle. Which one is greater, larger? This first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So all are 4-digit numbers. All are 4-digit numbers. We have to tally from left to right. From left to right. Left 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. 3, 3, 3. These are smaller than 4. Which means in between these two, so anyone is greater. Anyone is greater. Don't think about this. Why? Because we want larger number. In 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. 4 is a larger. 4 is a larger. So two such numbers are there. So these two. Again in these two we have to decide which one is greater. In these two numbers, these 4 are equal. Now here 4 is there and here 3 is there. In 4 and 3, 4 is a larger. 4 is a larger. So this one is the largest number. This one is a largest number. Next. In the next question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 again we have to check the digits from left to right. 6, 5, 6, 7, 7. 6, 5, 6, 7, 7. 7 is the largest. Means again we have to tally in these two only. In these two only. The first is 7 and 7. Then 8 and 4. In 8 and 4, 8 is a larger. So circle that one. This one is the largest number. And the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then tally from left to right. 4, 3, 3, 6, 7. 4, 3, 3, 6, 7. 7 is the largest number. Then directly you circle it. Only one such number is there. So directly you circle that one. So then next in fourth question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numerals again. Tally from left to right. 3, 6, 4, 4, 4. 3, 6, 4, 4, 4. 6 is the larger. So circle that one. So like this we have to circle largest number. For the smallest number also the same procedure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 we have to tally from left to right. 3, 4, 8, 7, 5. 3, 4, 8, 7, 5. 3 is smaller. So circle that 3. Then the second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. The smaller again we have to circle. Tally from left to right. 6, 9, 3, 6, 6. 6, 9, 3, 6, 6. 3 is smaller. Then circle the smaller one. 3. 3442. Then in third 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 again we have to tally from left to right digits. 7, 7, 8, 9, 8. 7, 7, 8, 9, 8. 7, 7. 7, 7 is smaller. 7, 7, two such numbers are there. These two. In this again we have to check which one is smaller. 7, 7 are equal. Here 6 is there and here 4 is there. 6 and 4. 4 is the least. 4 is the least. So we circle this. Least. Then next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 5 numbers also again we have to tally from left to right. Left to right. 3, 4, 5, 3, 3. 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, 3, 3 are smaller. So this number and this number and this number. In these 3 numbers we have 3, 3, 3. Then as 3, 3 and 3. Then after that 4. Check next digit. 4, 7, 0. In 4, 7, 0. 0 is the smaller. So circle that smallest. So in this way we have to circle smallest and largest numbers. Smallest and largest number. So we compare from left to right and we circle it. Here the third bit is write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number by using the digits. So in the same way just now we discussed in 3 digits, in 4 digits also same. So for greatest number we have to write in descending order. Descending order means first we take bigger number. 6, 5, 4, 1. This is the greatest number. The smallest number in the reverse order we have to write 1, 4, 5, 6. Next here also for greatest number first descending order 3, 2, 2, 1. Then for smallest number in reverse order 1, 2, 2, 3. Next, here also for the greatest number, first greater digit, then bigger than that 2, 1. For smallest, reverse order 1, 2, 5, 7. Then here for greater number, first greater number 9, 7, 6, 3. This is in reverse order 3, 6, 7, 9. Then here descending order, first 9, 7, 5, 3. This is ascending order, reverse order 3, 5, 7, 9. In this way we have to write ascending order and descending order by using digits. So this chapter, so ascending order, descending order means when you are writing ascending order, when you have to write a descending order, the greatest number is there, then ascending order, increasing order, descending order we have to write, here ascending order we have to write and say which one is smaller and which one is greater. And